Hi, in this video, I'll talk about how the reviews and commenting platform works in your website. In your website, um, we have a nice integrated uh, rating platform and also a place where your visitors can leave a comment. It can be a comment or review depending on the type of page. If it's a product page, then we call it as a review. If it is a blog article, it can be called as a comment. This commenting platform is a ground. It's built specially for this platform. It is not something that you would have experienced before, which means it doesn't use any third party login interfaces. To make this process of your visitors leaving a comment or a review as easy and simple and straightforward as possible, we've eliminated all kinds of login process. Anyone can come to your website and leave a comment or a review. There is no login, there is no username, password, uh, any of those complications. The reason we've made that we've eliminated all that is because there's a many layers of built-in security already in place in this technology that's working in the background. So that which makes sure that spam bots won't be able to leave you a spammy comment. But even if that happens, all of the reviews and comments come to you for approval. So that's where this interface becomes very powerful. Your website cannot and will not fill up with unauthorized reviews or comments. So when someone, for example, let's leave a comment review right here for this product. We are in the heavy duty diesel oil page in twocyclemotoroil.com domain. So I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to leave a review. So I'll just select 4.5 stars and I'll leave I'll call myself James and we'll call it test title, and we'll just put some copy and paste some text in here for the testing here. All right, so I've added some content. This is my comment or review, and then I click on this security captcha 104 and I'll click on post review. That's it. The review has been posted. I'll show you how the user experience, the whole process is very simple. They come, they type their name. They don't have to give away their email address. They don't have to worry about anything. They just type their name and their title and leave their comment or review. Except for this part here, there is no verification whatsoever. The moment a review or a comment is posted in your website, it will automatically appear to the user. So I just left a comment and it's already in my showing up in my in the browser as if the comment is already approved. And even if I refresh this page, if I reload this page and come back again, scroll down, the comment that I just left I can still see here. um, but this comment is not yet approved by the dealer. I have not approved this comment from my backend, but the user that left this comment is can actually see this, and only he can see this because he left it. Uh, and if I go to another browser and open it, this information will not show unless it's approved from the backend. So if I go into the backend administrative control panel, from this icon here, right here, I can see there are three uh, comments that is pending approval. This is the blog comments manager, and if I click on this icon, it will open all the pending comments. And if I click on show approved comments, it will load all the approved comments. Here are all the comments that I have approved previously, which customers have left. And if I go back here, show pending comments, these are the comments that are pending. And as you can see, this is the comment that I just entered. If I click on this, it'll just expand for me and to show, and also it'll show the rating here. It'll also show the location. It'll show, and it'll uh, give me the title of the page that from where the comment has been, or the review has been posted. If I want, I can click on the view post button and to actually go and see that page from where the user has left that review. Um, so I have the opportunity and full control to either delete this if the review or the comment is going to be like some sort of a spam or a nasty words that they've used, and if it's not appropriate for your website, you can just delete it. And or if you know that this person and you know this, and if this is your customer and you know them well, uh, and you can send them a thank you email for leaving a review. And if the review is more like a question, like if they're asking a technical, if they're discussing some sort of a technical aspect, you can post your reply right here. And also here in the location field, it gives you a location based on the IP address. The system tries to figure out where that user is currently located. So if they're located in a US or Canada, it's going to go and find out where that IP address is from. And this is not an accurate science. The IP addresses can be, the location can be quite broad. So someone can be connected from Washington, and the this information can show another state. It's very common because we rely on third party um, information that translates IP addresses to physical location. But if you know this customer, and if you know that they live in a different uh, uh, state or a province, you can go ahead and edit this and update it to reflect that. And and you can choose to reply and not to reply, but I recommend every time you have an opportunity to share your opinion for their review or comment that adds content to your website. The more content you add to your product pages, this is an excellent way to add content to your product pages. And the product pages in your website are basically copied from Amsoil.com, and they are completely duplicate content. As far as search engine is concerned, your website has duplicate content. But as you build um, comments and reviews inside your product pages, Google will look at your product pages as more valuable than Amazon.com product pages because it has additional data. It has additional information for the search engine, for their clients. Google's clients are the people who search for products and services. So Google wants to show the best page that has more or most relevant information for that audience. So the more number of discussions that you have in your product pages, the more number of visits that you're going to get from search engine. So I recommend you to take advantage of this reply interface to reply to each of your uh, nicely reply to them. I can show you one reply right here in this product page here. Here is a his Ryan Scott has posted a comment. To read more, I can expand this and I can see the full comment right here. And the administrator has replied to Ryan's comment appropriately, which helps people who are shopping for the same product to understand more about the product. And so let's go back and um, let's do a reply. We'll just copy and paste for the sake of testing. Just say, just copy this as a reply, and I can save and approve it. Um, if I can save and approve with or without a reply. The reply is optional. So if I save and approve it, it will just ask me to confirm. If I confirm it, and now that particular comment has been saved and approved, and it will no longer show in this interface, but it will be inside show approved comments. So right here I have this approved comment right here. And if I go into this page again, and if I refresh this page, and I can see the comment by James, which is the test one that we left, and also the reply by the administrator, the reply that I just created. Read more, it's right there. And of course I don't need this, so I'm going to delete this entry. So I can go ahead and click on delete and delete it. And if I come back and refresh it, it shouldn't be there anymore. It's gone. So it's a very powerful tool to build reviews and comment to all of your product pages and your blog articles. So you can promote that to your customers. You can write up emails asking them to leave a review and a comment to each of the product that you're selling to them. And also another fantastic feature that we have um, built into this system is that the linking opportunity. For example, if someone comes to your website and leaves a review in a product page belonging to your website, that review will also be posted to all the other dealers websites who is using the same platform. um, like for example, this review by Ryan Scott is not left is was not reviewed from twocyclemotoral.com. It was reviewed from another website belonging to another one of our dealers. So now this review is placed in all of our dealer network website, and a link has been placed to the original content. Actually, Ryan Scott has submitted this review from worldsbestall.ca. So if I click on this link right here, um, it will take me to the original post right there. So originally this content has been posted from worldsbestall.ca. As you can see here, it's a completely different domain, um, but it's now been this comment has been uh, published to all of the domains, and a link back has been given to this product page. So the advantage of this platform is that every time you generate reviews to your website, you're going to receive a lot of links, relevant links from um, sites in the same niche linking to your uh, website, which promotes authority. So the more number of reviews you have submitted in your under your domain, it's going to be published in all the other websites, pointing a link back to your domain. Over time, when you do this again and again, over time you're going to have uh, a site that is more authoritative in that marketplace. So I recommend looking into the review platform for the product. And this only applies to the product pages. It doesn't apply to say an article that you create. So in the previous videos we've created an article for fuel treatment and stabilizer. That is your blog. That is your content. That is no other content or blog like that on other domains. So that's not that is this feature, this linking facility won't apply there. But when it comes to the product pages, all of the dealers will have the same product pages because they're all Amsoil dealers, and they all have the same product pages, and that is where the linking backlinks feature work, and it's an excellent way to receive authority in your marketplace, from getting automatically getting links every time there is a review posted and approved in your site. And if you have any questions with this, just feel free to call or email me. Thank you for watching this. Thank you. Bye.